guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun one for you. We are going to be testing out Ulta gift sets. So similar to this. I've tried gift sets from TJ Maxx and from e.l.f. So I figured why not try the Ulta ones. I was at Ulta last night and picked up all this stuff and they look really cute. Like I really like the packaging. Like look how cute this is. So I got a bunch of them and we're gonna test them out. So I'm excited. I think this is going to be my last gift set video, but let me know in the comments if you like videos like this and you want me to do more of them from certain places before Christmas comes, which is only in 2 weeks, which is crazy. But yeah, so I'm excited. Hope you guys are too. And before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, like the video if you enjoy it, and let's jump right in. Okay guys, so I brought you in a little bit closer. I'm gonna start with the eyes first. I obviously did my brows already, and I primed my lids. And we're going to start off with the Ulta Beauty Babe 20-piece palette lip gloss customizable cosmetic bag, which this is what it looks like, which is super cute. I feel like this palette is going to be really nice, so let me open it up. So it looks like this, and I don't really like it because it doesn't have like a magnet or anything like this. It's just kind of like, it's gonna do that now because it was folded over like this, which is annoying, but I guess you kind of have to show the colors. But here is the palette close up so you can see all the colors. You get a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight, and then you get all of these colors. So today is definitely going to be a neutral look, but we're going to mess with these colors. And then you get a little mini shiny sheer lip gloss, which is cute. And then you get a cosmetic bag, which is very sparkly and cute. And basically just looks like this on the inside. And then you are supposed to stick these stickers on it. Like I think these stickers are super cute. I like the lightning bolt. I like the cherries. So the stickers are like raised almost, so they are kind of like thick, which I think is good. So that is what it looks like if you stick the stickers on, which is super cute. I feel like for someone who is like younger, this would be very cute. And the bag, even though it's glittery, it's like doesn't come off on your hands. Like it's not textured that way, it's very smooth. Just to show you, the palette does fit in here completely, which is really nice. Before we jump into the eyes, I do want to say my skin, oh my god, I don't know what's going on. Like, what is this? Ew. My skin is like just going through something, just because it's like winter, my skin is so freaking dry. Like everything is dry, my hair is dry, my skin is dry, my lips are dry. Well, I just put lip balm on anyway. But okay, so since my eyes are already primed, I used the e.l.f. Eyeshadow primer. I'm just going to set my eyelids with this shade right here. So I think the first shade that I'm going to go into in this palette is this one right here. I feel like that's like the best transition shade. So I'm going to try that first. And I'm going to use my M504. I've never used Ulta shadows, I don't think. So this should be interesting. Okay, so that looks pretty good for a transition. Nothing too excited, pigmented, blended really well. Yeah, I like it. So let me go do the same thing on the other eye and I'll come back and mess with some of the other colors in here. So just to intensify the crease, I think I'm gonna use this shade right here. I'm keeping this all the way on the outer corner. I am not going into the inner corner at all. I usually do that, but this one, no. We're keeping it out here. So once I lay that down, I like to take my M441, which is just like a really fluffy white hair brush, and just blend that out. So just like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. I kind of want to see how this purple shade goes. It's this one right here. This might be a terrible idea, but I'm gonna try it. So I'm going to take this Wet n Wild concealer brush. So I think I'm gonna wet it just first, just because I feel like these shimmers are not going to pick up if my brush is dry. I like this shade. It doesn't really go with the rest of the stuff, but I knew that going in. I just wanted to try it. So let me do the same thing on the other eye, and then I'm gonna go with a different shimmer. So I just took this gold right here, this one right here. I'm just taking this and kind of putting it on the inner corner and overlapping the purple shade. Yeah, that gold shade in this palette is definitely really pretty. It's just like hella crumbly. Like, I don't know if you can see that. Like, it is crumbly. Now I'm going to take this dark shade right here and pop that on the outer corner. All in all, I actually like the way the eyes came out. I just think that that gold shade is a little tricky. I like the palette, but the mattes in here are great. The other shimmers feel really good, just like the other purple one that I used. I was debating on whether or not to do a liner, but I think I'm gonna do a smoky liner or just do a liner with eyeshadow. So I think I'm gonna use this black shade in here and just do a liner that way. So let me go do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did the liner. The black in that palette is really, really nice. It's very pigmented. And I just used this brush that I got in maybe, I think it's a Yes Oh Yes box, which is the Aesthetica B13 brush. The angled brush on this is so super thin, so it's really easy to just get like a really nice line. Do my liners match? Do they ever? They don't. Of course they don't. Don't judge. The next gift set I got is from Ulta Beauty, of course. It is the Lip Service 4-piece lip treatment kit. You get a sugar lip scrub, a lip plumping lip balm, whoa, a juice infused lip oil, and an overnight lip mask, which is what it looks like. If you know someone who really is into like lip products and keeping their lips looking really juicy and smooth and not chapped, then this is a great gift, certainly for freaking winter. Like, this is really nice. Also, you can just like take this off. You don't have to give this whole thing to somebody. You can take each of these out and pop them into like stocking stuffers or something like that. I think it's a really cute gift, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and scrub my lips. I have made the mistake of scrubbing my lips while I have foundation on. Not a cute look. Don't do that. Not cute at all. I also like the bag that it comes in. Like, this is definitely like really useful for like for brushes or for like electronics, literally anything. So if you're going to separate these, definitely keep the bag. This is just like perfection. Love that. So let me go ahead and scrub my lips. It smells really good. It smells like almost like juicy fruit. So this is what it looks like. It's basically just clear. I took a lot, so I really like whatever the like sugar is suspended in. I actually accidentally ate it and it tastes really bad. Sugar crystals are very big. They're a little bit bigger than what I'm used to, but it made my lips feel really soft and I like it. I think I'm gonna use the lip plumping lip balm because I've never heard of a lip plumping lip balm, and I literally love lip oils. Let me open this one up, see what it smells like. This is what it looks like on my hand. Usually lip oils are like a little bit like a very loose texture. This is definitely like a lip gloss. Let me try this lip plumping lip balm. This is nice. It's not my favorite. I don't really like lip balms. I got the Ulta Beauty Prep and Set 3-piece skin prep skin. Nope, that's not right. 3-piece skin prep kit. I got it. So this is what it looks like. Same kind of thing. It has the same little bag, which I love these bags. I also really like the like packaging. Like, look how pretty this print is. I feel like this for like wrapping paper, that'd be really nice. You get a lavender makeup setting spray, a lavender facial oil, a poreless face primer, which, yes ma'am, I would like that. Do you see what I'm saying? Like, isn't this really pretty? Like, I love the packaging. Just so you guys know, I just realized that all of these gift sets are under $20. So if you're looking for a good gift for under $20, I feel like this is really good. I will pop up all the prices on the screen. I probably have already been doing that. Future me has been doing that. I promise. So the lavender facial oil, how cute is this? It's like really mini. It's to prep your skin to achieve flawless makeup application. Apply a few drops to the palms of your hand and apply gently into the skin. Love that. And then the poreless face primer is use alone or under your favorite foundation to smooth and reduce the appearance of pores and fine lines. And the makeup setting spray, light mist over the face to keep your makeup in place all day. I've definitely used one of these before and I wasn't a huge fan. Not because it wasn't good, but I didn't like the spritzer. That's nice though. I'm going to use, let me pull up my sleeves here. I'm gonna use the lavender oil. First, I do not like using oil under my makeup, but I do like an oil at night before I go to bed because it makes your skin really smooth in the morning. So let me just do it few drops. It is a thicker oil. I don't know if you can see that on my hand, like it's very thick. And I'm just going to press this in. It smells really good. So now I'm gonna go in with the poreless face primer. What it looks like, so it's a very dimethicone one. I'm not obsessed with ones like this, but I'm not mad at it. I don't know if you can see it, but like when you rub it together, it just kind of falls apart. I don't see a whole lot of pore filling, a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and put foundation on and concealer, and then I'm gonna powder everything down. We'll come back and use the palette for the bronzer and blush and highlighter. And today I'm just gonna use my Born This Way foundation. So let me blend this bad boy out and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am all foundationed, powdered, concealed, all that fun stuff. So right now I'm gonna dip into the bronzer in this, which is this one right here, and I'm using my R7, which, I mean, like, I'm gonna pick up 85 shades by using this brush, but we're gonna try it out. I'm accidentally like picking up the blush, but because I'm dipping in like this, picking up the blush is going like exactly where it needs to go. Oh my god, that's so funny. It's like real fast. Look at that. Do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna have to go in with a smaller brush. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild angled brush. Okay, so I think that actually worked. Not the best color for me, but it worked. I'm gonna use the blush in here, so I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics blush brush, and I'm just gonna basically mix the two of these. One is very pink, and one is like more of a peachy kind of pink. So I'm gonna mix the both of them. I already have blush on a little bit. So far, this palette is really nice. Like, these shades are really nice. You can definitely get your contour, your blush down. Let's see how good the highlight is. Before we do that, I'm gonna spray my face with the lavender makeup setting spray. How cute is this little nugget? He's so cute. I really like that setting spray. Like, the mister on it is a lot better than what I remember. I had like one like just like this like a while ago. And I tossed it because I did not like the spritzer. But I think I'm gonna take out the setting spray I have in my bag, in my purse, and put this one in there, because this definitely got rid of all the powderiness, and the spritzer was really nice and it smelled really good. So this is a yes for me. Love that, and it's such a nice size, so living. So now that my face is pretty damp, I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the shade, which of course doesn't have shade names, but let's see. Ooh, yes. Please. That was really nice. So all in all, this palette really worked, and as much as the shadows work, the like face stuff really works too. So yes ma'am. Let me go ahead and put mascara and lashes on, and then we'll come back and dive into our last gift set. I'll be right back. Okay, so lashes are on. These lashes, I like them, but they're just really difficult to put on. These are the ColourPop falsies in the style Shorty, but I realized I did not highlight my inner corner or brow bone, so I'm going to use the shade right here to do that. I'm gonna keep the bottom lash line bare just because I've been doing that lately, because I like that it makes my bottom lashes look bigger. Okay, so now for lips, this is so cute. It's called the Lipstick Library, and it is a 5 full-size lipsticks. Look how cute this is. So you get a pink nude, a deep berry, a medium brown, a medium red, and a dusty mauve. And they're called Noodly Interrupted, Tainted Love, which is the deep berry, Chocolate Kiss, which is the medium brown, Red Flag, which is the medium red, and then Mischievous, which is the dusty mauve. I'm pretty aware that you guys are thinking that I'm going to do a nude. I'm not. Okay. I'm gonna swatch all of these for you, and then we will choose the color. Oh, these are creamy. So these are all of the colors. The nude one, which is this one down here, looks very pink to me. I'm thinking either the red or the brown. I have not done red lipstick in such a long time. Let's try it, and if it sucks, then we'll change it. I literally have all of my pencils here, so I think I'm gonna do the red. We're gonna try it. I'm going to line my lips with the Milani Color Statement Lip Liners in the shade Bordeaux. This is what it looks like. It's a little bit darker than that red. Our Milani liners are just like, they're just it. Are we doing this? Oh my god. This is why I don't mess with freaking color lipstick, because they're so messy. Like, honestly, they're so messy. They always end up everywhere. It is not a matte lipstick. It is more of a satin formula, which I tend to like a little bit more. So I took that off just because it was looking a little messy. And I also want to try the brown. So the brown is in the shade Chocolate Kiss. I'm going to line my lips with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On. I used this in my last video. This is in the shade 1993. I really like this. I think this is really nice. It kind of goes with the eyes really nicely. The red was really pretty too. So I think all of these lipsticks are going to be really nice, really pigmented. I did get a mini lip gloss in the kit with the eyeshadow palette. I'm not really going to use it because it's pink and it doesn't really go with it. I was going to use the Juice Infused lip oil that's more like a gloss. Since this is like a satin lipstick and not a matte, I'm not going to use it because I like the shine that it already has. I don't know why I'm doing this a lot, but I am. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. This being like probably the last gift set video I'm going to do, so I hope you really enjoyed it. I've had some fun trying some of these gift sets out. But I actually really liked all of these products except for like one product I did not like. The palette was fantastic, worked, the eyes look good. That black for the liner is awesome. In the beginning of the video I said that this wasn't like magneted down, but it is. It just doesn't want to stay. Like the magnets aren't that strong. Just so you guys are aware. Yeah, it's magneted down. I like the actual like outside of it. It's almost like a book too, which is cute. So that little gift set came with, and then you get the little mini lip gloss. I don't feel like they should have not included this. It's kind of like a throw-in, but I feel like this would be cute. I don't know, it's like, I don't know, like this sort of thing. It's just kind of like a throw-in that I didn't really understand, but I think it's cute. The other gift set that came with all of the lip products, with the overnight lip mask, the lip balm. I really like the lip balm. It made my lips like really red and really plump, which I liked a lot. The lip scrub was good. I like the like moisturizing gel or whatever that's in it. I definitely need to try the overnight lip mask. I will do that tonight, and I think the lip oil is going to be really good as well. Then you got the prep and set gift set, which came with the Ulta Beauty lavender setting spray. I like this a lot. The spritzer is good, it smells really good, and it got rid of all the powderiness, so I like that. The facial oil, the lavender facial oil, I really like this. Unless it messes up my makeup somehow today, I think that's the only reason I wouldn't use it. I would use it as a primer, and I definitely would use it at night. Remember, this is a thicker formula, so it's not like an actual oil, it's almost like a serum, but I really like this. The only thing I didn't like really out of all this stuff was the poreless primer. It kind of pilled up everywhere, and it just, like, it really didn't do anything for my pores. So I don't like this, but that's really out of all the stuff that I tried today, this is the only one that I really didn't like. The lipsticks are really nice. Like, I like how shiny this is. So it's almost like having a gloss and a lipstick together. So it's like that satin lipstick that I've been loving. I have the lipstick from Dose of Colors that's similar to this one, and this one's like half the price. So I hope you really enjoyed it. I really did. I think all of this stuff is really nice, and Ulta really outdid themselves. Like, I'm very surprised. Like, some of the stuff was really nice, stuff that I will be definitely using in the future. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if there's any videos you want to see on my channel or anything you want me to try. Whatever it is, just let me know, and don't forget to subscribe. And I really appreciate you guys. I will see you, as always, in my next video. Bye, guys.